Hi, today I am going to be sharing a unique technology resource with you called EdPuzzle. It can be found at edpuzzle.com. This technology resource is primarily used for assigning and sharing videos to your students in a class that you have created. It is very valuable in a flipped classroom approach in that you can assign the videos and they can access them at another time. But what makes this program unique is that you can embed questions within the video that your students will be required to answer, and you will actually be able to see their questions. You have three options. You can do multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, and your students can also record audio as their answers, which is particularly helpful for younger students who may not have their typing skills quite yet. You can use any video from the internet, one that's already been uploaded by the community, one from YouTube, or you can even use a video that you upload yourself. So I have uploaded my own video for another course in which I am instructing my students in how to decode consonant, vowel, consonant words. When you upload the video, you can choose certain spots in which you would like to have your questions. And then there are suggested videos that might be similar that you can edit and embed the questions into. So I'm going to do an example video that shows how we can embed those questions. So once you click on a video and find a video that you would like to use, you go up to Edit, and in the edit portion you can trim the video to make it longer or shorter if you're needing to adjust that time for the video. You can add a voiceover in which you are contributing your own ideas to the lesson, but the part that I particularly was interested in is the questions that you can add at certain points in the video. When you are editing the video, you can go to the section marked questions and then choose the time in the video where you would like to embed a question. So let's say at this point in the video at 19 seconds, I might want to ask an open-ended question. So I could ask, what is the vowel in this word? And I can do an open-ended question that allows audio responses so that my students could respond and say the vowel is A. And you would save that, and that question will pop up when the students are watching the video. You can add several different questions if you would like to. We could even do a multiple choice question where you can type the question here and then type in all of the different options. You want to make sure that you are selecting what the correct answer is for each question. And then a final option that you have for your students is, particularly for older students, you can assign certain points in a video for them to read a note that you've put in, or you can even record an audio note for your students to listen to. EdPuzzle is a really unique concept because of the ability to embed those videos. Once you click finish, your video is ready to go and you can assign it to your class. I have created a class here. You can create a new class through Google Classroom, Canvas, and many other online learning management systems that makes it quite easy to deliver that content to your students. You can assign certain days that it will launch and different due dates for you to use. You can also determine how many times your students can try answering the questions. You can also prevent skipping so that your students won't be able to just skip right through the parts of the video that they don't want to listen to. I hope you find this resource as helpful as I have and that you all have a great day. Bye.